Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome to my channel. I am Wonders Craft. This is the home of trendy, elegant fascinator making, where creativity meets style and class. Sit back, get inspired, and let's create stunning fascinators together.
Hello ladies, I'm back with another signature headpiece. This one is extra So if you're curious about how to know how to make this beautiful headpiece yourself, stick around, do not skip any part of this video as we dive in.
These are the materials needed for this beautiful headpiece. It's something extraordinary, very simple but very unique. I came across this style. I decided to give it a try, and guess what? It's out here already. So you need your Alice band, your bias. I'm using this copper wire, the strong one. I don't know how many inches this is, but this one is a bit stronger, but it's flexible though, but not too flexible, not too soft. And then I'm going to use these star feathers and a little embellishment from, I don't know what this is, just look at it. If you see it in your Fascinator store, you can buy any thread, and that's basically all the materials we'll be using. So let's dive in. So first off, I'm going to measure my wire 15.5 inches and 12.5 inches, 2 pieces. So I already did that. I'm just showing you the wire that I'm using. You can use a hot wire, but the flexible one. This is the wire that I measured out. I painted it black. You don't need to do this. I was just trying out something. So, and I'll be using a bias, this beautiful velvet shiny bias. And because I'm wrapping it with a wire, I'm going to divide it into two, since I did not see the small size to buy. See, but if you see that small size and buy, you don't need to divide yours. So that's what I'll be doing. And then I'll wrap everything, and you will see what will follow next. So what you are going to do first before wrapping is to assemble your first feathers up here. Now you're going to assemble it in a way that it will cover this wire. Okay. I'm going to pick like 6 or 7. You can do more. I mean, individual preference. Then I'm going to hold it down here and tie with my thread.
After tying the feathers to both sides, I'm going to wrap this up with my bias. Now I should have just add feathers as I am wrapping. I'll add as I am wrapping. You can as well do your own like that. As you are wrapping your wire, you're adding feathers to it. As you're wrapping, you're adding feathers to it. I'm going to actually make another headpiece using that method so that you understand what I'm talking about. But that one, I'm going to use goose feathers, okay? But what I did here was to wrap the whole wire with my bias, and then I'll start tying down feathers to the body of the wire, okay? So once I'm done tying down my feathers, if it is showing, if the thread is visible and the feathers are visible enough, because since it is black, it's not really visible at all. So but if you were to do this for sale, I'll advise you use the other method where you have to add your feathers as you are wrapping your bias. So another method is this one that I'm doing. So after wrapping your wire, you pick the feathers that you want, you tie a bunch and then tie it to the wire, and then you cover that part up with small bias. You cover the rough part with the small bias. You don't make it bulky, okay? So that is a method that I use here. I'm going to be tying down the number of feathers that I want, and then I will stop just by the middle, not very close to the middle, where I'm going to tie down to Alice band. I'll stop when I'm getting close to the middle, and then I'll go to the other side and tie it and tie the feathers to the wire as you see so on both ends. And then we are going to style this beautiful headpiece. This particular style is usually done with goose feathers, yeah, and I just feel it is more beautiful with these star feathers. Like it's like this star feathers was actually meant for this particular style because it's so beautiful. So I don't know if you have noticed that I love star feathers so much, but I actually really do love star feathers. They are so fine.
So I want you to pay close attention to how I am tying the feathers. I'm doing it in opposite direction. That way you get a perfect branches rather. Alright, so what I do is cut this, okay. Now I'm going to tie this to like this, going this way. I'm kind of slanting it. I don't know if you can see. And then I'll tie. I'll cut and tie it in that same place now. But to now face this other side. You get? I'm trying to create that star look. The first one first here, and this one first enters like this. So now is the time to locate all the rough edges, if there is any, and cover up with your bias. Once you're done with that, you're going to locate the perfect ankle in your Alice band and tie it down, and we are so done with this fascinator. If this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe, hit on the notification button, like and share this idea with your friends and family. Till we meet again, have a good life. Now this is a flexible wire, so you're just going to bend it to how you want it. Okay, I bend this, and this will go this way. I enter this way. Okay, I bend this already. It's almost the same thing. This side is a bit shorter, and I'll join them together and see how it will be. Okay. Then I'm going to tie them together with a thread first. I'm putting them like this and just holding them down. And then I'll secure. See that? Okay, so this is my left hand. I'm going to design this to the left hand side. I'm going to secure this with a bias right here. But before we do that, this is my little embellishment. Hi. I don't know what the embellishment should come in. But yeah, let's just form something. That doesn't make sense. Okay. This embellishment is it's very flexible. Just like flexible wire. So I decided to cover it anyhow. I'm just going to do that. Then I'll cover this place with my bias. if you have enough bias, you can cover your lace band with it so that everything will look seamless, very nice. If I'm to sell this out, I'll definitely cover my Alice band with this shiny bias. You see that? I'm going to separate there. And you can come back and adjust it if need be. Adjust if need be. And voila, you have your elegant looking star feathers headpiece.